Hello, my name is Eugenia Rangel. I work for the ARC at Fresno. Today I'm creating a science experiment using a jar, dish soap, and glitter. This science experiment is called Tornado in a Jar. So I want to show you the things that you're going to be needing. So these are the stuff that we're going to be using for our tornado in a jar. Some dish soap, a jar, an empty jar as you can see, some water, and some glitter. This experience, science experience, should be a very interesting and maybe very, very fun to do so with your family, your kids, or anybody who's interested in learning about tornadoes. So what we're gonna do now is pour some water in this jar. About right there, not so much. And then we're gonna add some dish soap. I'm gonna add just a few drops. Let's see. Then we're gonna add some glitter. This could be for the debris that a tornado would cause. So I chose to use silver for this. You could use any color though, but today I decided to use silver. So we're gonna open this up, throw a few inside. Once you've done that, we're gonna cover it Once it's covered, what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna grab it, you're gonna shake it, and now you have created your tornado in a jar. The debris on this shows it's pretty much the glitter is so it's about just a debris that a tornado will do. So you're gonna do this a few times. As you can see, the funnel is being created inside the jar. You're gonna do this a few times until you can see some sort of funnel in there. I think I added. And this is what we call tornado in a jar. I'm gonna try this one more time and see if we can get that tornado effect. As you can see, it's creating a funnel inside that jar. So this is what we call our tornado in a jar. I hope you all enjoy this little small science experiment. It's like very easy, very fun to do with anybody in general. So I think it was a nice thing to do, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. So again, I want to show you some of the things you need to do your tornado in a jar. Here we go. So you're gonna need dish soap, a jar full of water, glitter, an empty jar that has the stuff inside it. There's your tornado in a jar. Thank you and have a nice day. Remember, stay safe, wash your hands, and always wear a mask.